Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss an update from G+.
Hi guys, my name is Avineet Mishra and I'm a stand-up comedian from Meghalaya. Yes, that's right. You know, every time I tell people I'm from Meghalaya, they start becoming very weird with me. They start sharing trivia about my own home state with me. Like this friend of mine, he texts me. He's like, bro, तेरे को पता है मेघालय में एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स का बड़ा सीन है. तो मैंने कहा कि कैसे पता तेरे को? So he's like, I read this in the news that a 50-year-old man is asking the government's permission to dive 320 feet deep inside a mine and do rappelling. Is he a professional diver? I'm like, bro, no. He's just a helpless father. And he wants to dive not because उसको कोई adrenaline rush चाहिए. नहीं. गरीबों को adrenaline rush नहीं आती. उनको आती है मजबूरी. उनको आती है गरीबी. And he wants to dive because he wants to save his son, who along with 14 other people are trapped in a mine, a rat hole mine in Meghalaya. This friend of mine is shocked, okay? He's absolutely shocked. He's like, अरे कब हुआ ये tragedy? हाँ? हमको कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता. कितने घंटे हो गए? I'm like 23. He's like, 23 घंटे? अभी तो समय है. मैं कहा नहीं 23 दिन. And हमें नहीं पता because our nation and our media is fascinated with other important facts. Like राहुल गांधी ने मोदी जी को देख के विंक क्यों किया? राहुल बाबा ने मोदी जी को हग क्यों किया? टिम पेन के बच्चे ने ऋषभ पंत के गोद में कितने बार सुसु की? And how can I forget this? हमारे तैमूर अली खान ने कितने बार हग के फ्लश किया आज? What gets left out in this whole process is the Northeast, rightly so. Now I'll tell you, I'll give you perspective, okay? There's a minister, 2 days ago he says, I want to put Indians into space to look for extraterrestrial life. I'm like, bro, why don't you put Indians into that mine to look for terrestrial life? 15 of them. Every time you raise these issues, people have a swag. Okay, don't talk about India, okay, we have bullet train. 3,000 kilometers in 20 hours. I'm like, 20 hours, 3,000 kilometers? 10 water pumps, high power water pumps were needed to pump water out of those mines. The pumps needed to go from Delhi to Meghalaya, a distance of 2,000 kilometers. Those pumps reached Meghalaya 15 days later. 15 days without air, food or water inside that mine. Those miners were trapped. You know, क्या फायदा इस टेक्नोलॉजी का that allows us to build statues 200 feet above the ground but fails us when we want to save lives 300 feet below the ground. Weird, man. And when the Northeast feels alienated for all of this, rightly so, they have a problem with that also. They're like, don't feel like a victim, okay? You gotta stop feeling like a victim. December 13 को tragedy हुई थी. Modi ji has visited your region twice, my friend tells me. I'm like, हाँ पहली बार वो गए थे बोगीबील ब्रिज का इनॉग्रेशन करने. He's like, हाँ तो दूसरी बार तो गए ना. मैंने कहा हाँ दूसरी बार जाना था ना, क्रेडिट लेने. He's like, dude, you're making it a big issue, okay? Modi ji went to the state where the tragedy took place. I'm like, yes, Modi ji went to Assam, but the tragedy took place in Meghalaya. The fun fact here, 15 hours is the distance or the time that you would take to go from where Modi ji had his rally to the site of this tragedy. But he did not go. Any guesses why? Because Meghalaya is not an international location, that's right. My friend is shocked, okay, doesn't believe it. Like, अबे मेघालय कब से international location नहीं है बे? You know, don't get me wrong, I don't want you to politicize this. Rahul Gandhi recently said, Modi ji Northeast गए, उन्होंने credit ले लिया bridge का और कुछ miners के लिए बोला नहीं. Shame. हमने मोदी जी को shame. True. But Rahul Baba, shame to you too. 20 of your legislators are sitting in the Meghalaya Assembly. If you wanted to say something, you could have said. If you wanted to do something, you could have done. But नहीं, कुछ नहीं होना है. We need to stop politicizing this. And I know it is a challenging thing, okay? Don't get me wrong. I know it is challenging, but don't tell me it is impossible. Because 10 years ago, this same country visited the Prince episode. You guys remember? एक बच्चा बोरवेल में गिर गया था 60 feet deep. 2 दिन लगे थे, पर 2 दिन में we got him out alive. You know why? You know why, ma'am? You know why, sir? Because the media wanted him alive. Because the government wanted him out alive. In this case, 15 miners have been trapped in that mine for 23 days and counting, and barely 15 people in this country, including you and I, know about this. It's crazy, man. And पता है ये scene हर साल repeat होता है. Every year this scene repeats. Like in Assam and a lot of other northeastern places, every year floods kill thousands of people, displace thousands of people, and we're just not willing to listen to the tragedy. Because we like, hey, awesome, Assam बहुत awesome है, ठीक है? प्रियंका चोपड़ा को देखा? प्रियंका चोपड़ा बोली, awesome Assam, she's doing bihu bihu. I'm like, dude, for once, okay, let's stop listening to Priyanka Chopra, please. Priyanka Chopra spoke more in the movie Barfi than what she's done as the brand ambassador for tourism for the state of Assam. So, every time I perform stand-up comedy, I perform in front of an audience, because that's how we perform. We perform, there's an audience that listens to us and applauds to us. But this time around, I wanted to do something different. Yeah, so I decided not to have an audience. And that's because I wanted to feel a little bit about how the Northeast feels on a day-to-day basis. When, like me, they have a lot of stories to share of grief and of disaster. But unfortunately, they never find an audience.